Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you got to do is use the links in the description if you want to get one of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with an awesome video for you. So I'm showing you today a really cool thing that I've been wanting to do for a while. This is called an AEM Dryflow air filter. And what this is basically a high performance air filter for your car to let your car breathe, get more air into the engine. The difference is here, you don't have to keep buying them ever again. This is gonna be the last filter you're ever gonna need. So this kind of looks like a K&N air filter. It's got the same kind of synthetic material, but the nice thing about it is it's not using oil. It's one of those things where if you don't know what you're doing, you don't know how to keep cleaning the filter and re-oiling it, and if you don't know how to clean the inside of your mass airflow sensor, your intake manifold, your throttle body, you're not gonna wanna use it. This is really great because it's a dry air filter. It is washable and it is reusable. So that means for whatever you spend on this filter, you're never gonna have to spend it on air filter again. So I've been spending anywhere between $10, $15, $20 per filter, and you have to do it every 10,000 miles. So if you figure to every 10,000 miles, you get a new air filter for 20 bucks, that's 10 air filters at 100,000 miles, that's $200. This air filter is around $40 when I picked it up. So that's gonna save you 160 bucks at 100,000 miles. Pretty good deal. Really good air filter, really great company, AEM. I've been using them for years on other different performance cars I've had, and they are phenomenal filters. So I'm gonna get this put in the car and show you what it looks like. This is your air box right here, right behind the battery, and it's where your air filter goes. All you have to do is just pop these clips forward like this. Just lift the box up and you can have access to your air filter. So here is what the filter looks like. It actually comes sealed in a bag right from the factory. I honestly think every company should do that. The easiest way to do this is to just grab the top of the filter box like so, put your filter inside, and then just make sure you take the tabs in the back down here. Make sure those tabs are inserted into the filter box, and then you can lower it down. Now that we got it where it's supposed to be, once you get everything positioned where you need it, all you got to do is just do like I did and close the clips, and you are good to go. The one thing I didn't get a chance to show in the video, when I got the filter, it had a little bit of the black rubber outside of the gasket inside the filter, so I just vacuumed it out really well and made sure to take out those black plastic pieces, and I was good to go. Just installed it. So again, hope this video helped you out. If you wanted to pick up one of these for yourself, I'm going to leave some links down in the description, and if you can, make sure to click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the section down below. Thanks again for watching. Take care.